The best thing you can get in 2025 for the camping season is the Mozy wrap. It is wearable, weatherproof thermal wrap that is better than any blanket. It is 500% warmer than a blanket, and you can wrap it around your lower body and have your hands free. We've all experienced those outdoor moments when we need a little bit extra warmth. Either we're camping and the temperatures are going down when the sun goes down, or we're watching our kids play spring sports and we're sitting on the cold stadium bleachers, or we're just outside watching kids play at the park. Mozy wrap is foldable and I just keep it in my car all the time. It also has pockets if you need to put something in there. It's just very easy to use.